Woo! G'day, g'day, g'day. MitchoRC, all Aussie RC adventures. How are we all? That's great. Me, you've guessed it. You've heard me say it before. Now I want you to say it with me at the top of your lungs. Top of the tree, pick of the orchard. Haha, fantastic. Now before we get into tonight's little episode, a big shout out to everyone out there that's liking, subscribing, and that's just that side of it. But more, I want you to ringing a mate and life's a battery charge it. So again, if you're watching this video, comment below with a thumbs up that you've rang a mate for me and my video has done what I wanted to do and got that message out there, because that phone call or message could just change that person's day. But if you want to see a bit more on that, head back to my channel. You'll see a quick story behind MitchoRC, why I started it. Anyway, it's a Wednesday up here. I got home from work and I had this sitting in front of my door. So I thought, I better open it. I get excited when I see something new and I sort of remember what it is. And I thought I'd love to share it with you guys because this is something different. It's not an FMS, so you have to keep watching to see what's inside. It's not a helicopter, it's not a plane, it's not a crawler, it's not a basher, it's not a drift car, it hasn't got wheels. So, and it's not a boat. Ooh, now you're thinking. And it's not a drone or anything like that. But I'm gonna crack open this box we go. I've got a kniffy up here somewhere. Again, everyone, thank you for your support and likes and sending me messages over the last few days telling me that you're a ringer, mate, because that is just awesome. And if you can see, yes, for those who have already asked me about shirts, they are here somewhere. I've got to organise and get in contact with guys with postage and that. Thought I didn't really think about that. I just jumped the gun because I got super excited seeing that on the back of a shirt. So if you want one, comment below. I'll hook yous up. Ooh. And while I'm opening this, big shout out to the guys up at MitchoRC in Brisbane. This is where I purchased it from. I was up there the other week. There is a video of me doing a tour, doing a little shop tour of those guys and meeting those guys again. And I bought the Traxxas UDR. So I've done a couple of videos with that thing with just 4S batteries at the moment, and I've got 6S batteries to put it in and give it a rip. So keep watching and see some videos on that. But I can see what it is. I don't know if you can at the moment. So I'll just sneak it out of sight for a second. Hey? Now it's a 6 scale. So if you've got a 6 scale truck or an SEX6, you know what those things were like in a box. This is a bit different. Should have thought about this before I did it, but here she comes. Okay. The Kyosho, what are they calling it? A Wave Chopper 2.0. Now, coming from what I do, I am the a parts manager for Sea-Doo up here on Gold Coast, so skis and that are in my life at the moment. And I've been looking for one of these, and there is the little toy ones getting around that I see, and they had them up there as well, but I spotted this. I had it on the, I didn't have it on the counter, I was umming and ahhing it, and all weekend I went, nah, ring a Monday. Spoke to Jasper up there. As soon as I rang him, he sort of knew that I wanted to get it. So he hooked me up, looked after me, put in the post for me, and it turned up this morning. Hey, this is pretty cool. So it is, yeah, a 1/6 scale. So like, you know, quickly. That's your 130. And then you can go 124, 1/10, 1/7. I don't know what they're calling these things. 1/5, 1/6. And there's me baby. This is my mascot of the channel, the Axial SX6. But it's not about this. This is just like, this is a 6 scale, and so is this thing in front of me. But probably look cool now on a trailer behind that. So 3D printers come up next. So Kyosho, am I saying this right? Kyosho. Never had anything by them before. So it's a 1/6 scale radio controlled electric powered personal watercraft. Thing looks like a ripper out of the box. Looks like I've got to put the driver in that on, so that's pretty cool. It's got a dude that comes in it. What's on the back here? So I got the green. They didn't have the blue available. The only thing I'm noticing though, and they did mention up there, it's got a prop on the back of it. So it's like a boat. It's not like the Pro Boat where that thing can skim across water only about 1/2 mil deep. This thing's actually got a prop. So I'm going to have to be careful in the depth of the water you're in. Pre-installed 5. I'm trying to think if this thing is brush. Oh, no, it looks like it's brushless. Waterproof, obviously it's waterproof. I don't know too much about this. So like if it takes 2S, 3S, 4S, 7.2. Oh, so it's like a 2S. Can you put 3S in it? I think more power's on the cards with this thing. Anyway. This thing looks cool. So first thing that grabs you is a little instruction booklet. Don't need them where Mitcho's going. Actually, that's a light thing. All I've got this is here in front of me. It's pretty light too. I know it's in the bag, you can't see much, but I suppose once you put a battery in, it's got a bit of weight, but I tell you, she is light. But there she is, they're calling it a 520 2.0 Wave Chopper. This is what I was just mentioning, this at the back. So I suppose it needs that rudder for steering. Oh, look, it's under here. Okay, different. We'll have to put this down somewhere for a second. Like, yeah, 6 scale now, I can see it out of the box. Because there are all the other bits and pieces. The only thing I hate doing this at home is the rubbish. Oh, it's been nice tonight. Put that up in the neighbours. Here we go, what have we got in here? A bit of weight in it. Oh, check this out. This is a LiPo battery that's got in the bag? Doesn't look like it by this charger. So they've chucked in it's just a NIMH. So it's not a LiPo, it's just a NIM sort of battery. Oh, shit. You know, biggest giveaway was that it's got Dean's connections, but it's a USB charger. So let's hope we can put a 2S LiPo on this thing. Controller's looking cool, bit of red accent on it. Synchro, never heard of them, but obviously Kyosho's own thing. Hey, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, wait, it's got enough buttons and dials on it. Jesus. Throttle EPA, trim steering, dual rate, throttle EPA. Hey, pretty cool. It's cocked on the side a bit. Okay. I'll have to go back to this battery. Let's see if we can... Where's the dude that sits on it? Here he is. I wonder if he'd be the scale for the 6 as well. If you've got one of these, or you've had one, or... You might need that book of instructions in a second. What the... Little binding plug and some self-tapping screws and a Wonder Tape. Maybe I'm sticking him down? No, it looks like there's a that goes up there with him. Okay, well, we're going to have to get the book out. You have to see what all this goes together. As you can see him sitting here, we've got him trapped in like a bloody prisoner. What else is in there? Here he is. Poor bastard's got it around his neck. No. Sorry, didn't mean to say the F-bomb there, but... Yeah, this thing looks cool. Kyosho, I'm telling you, this thing's cool. Now for a 6 scale figurine, I don't think it'll fit in the 6. Now let's grab this bit out. I'm wondering what this waterproof or Wonder Tape is. We've got a... Maybe it's a stand for it to sit on once it's out of the box, maybe? I might bring it up here for a second so we can have a look at it. First impressions, yeah, like it's... I hadn't seen one in person, I only had the box up there. They don't keep stuff out of the box, which I don't know if I had a shop. I think everything would stay in the box because most people want to open it themselves. So you got the dude, The battery of a USB charger. I'm going to suss this out with this self-tapping screws and a battery. That's cool. That's pretty cool. They supply a battery and virtually you pinch the AAA batteries out of your mum and dad's remote or your remote for your TV and you're set. Look at the cable tie around this. Traxxas, you bloody goob. Always cut away from yourself and towards your mates. Speaking of which, if you rang a mate for me, just give us a thumbs up, will you? That'd be cool. Yeah, I think it is a stand for it, the stander, which would make sense. An Allen key. Maybe it's it's the seat. And handlebars. Oh yeah, cool. Hey! Oh yeah, pins on it. What's this do though? What? Definitely going to need the book. Does this come off? I'll tell you what, she's a bit, not plastic, but oh yeah, there's pins here. But yeah, no, I like it. Be cool. Especially now that I'm pulling these things and doing parts from what. Gee, she's okay. What have we got here? Little body. Traxxas, can you get out of the rubbish? There's like, I don't know if this comes off. Maybe this is the Wonder Tape. Like, should that all be stuck down and keeping this sealed? What the hell? There's the battery. Okay, that's Wonder Tape. Okay, so that explains it. You can see they've got just tape running around where probably the ESC and the electronics are hiding and around the battery. So you've got spare tape. I don't mind that because it looks like it's only survived the couple of months from China on the boat and it's lifting. A quick stick down, it's all right. So that's double side on the battery in. Oh, not on Velcro. Okay, that's cool. Besides that, I can't tell you as much. You're going to have to undo all this tape, undo these little self-tappers to get in there. But we don't want to do that. We just want to have these handlebars going. Well, there may be a self-tapper that goes in there to hide the look at that seat. This is confusing, but look at the size of this. Well, does it? Definitely got to go under there, Samantha. That's got a self-tapper screw in it. Where's the bloody book? But yeah, something different to add to the little collection. I was just a bit disappointed it's got that on the bottom. I don't know how she'll go handle the rapids out Welsh's, but we'll go out there and send it, that's for sure. Get out of it, cat. This is Traxxas. So she's a little, how old are you now, girl? 14, 15 months old? Yeah, you wonder what Dad's doing? Little saviours. I'm telling you, if you don't have a cat or a dog or a bird or something, I've got 2 cats, Barney's floating around here somewhere. I tell you, they're little, well, she's like the spawn of Satan, I tell you. She's just, keeps me on my toes. Chews stuff, like, chews through cords like a bloody dog. So I'm going to have to open the book to see what the hell goes on with all this. It's not a bad, I don't know if you can see, I might move the table back a bit so it comes in frame. I don't know if, I wonder tape the battery. That's definitely a seat handlebars. This has got to be a stand for it. I've got a thing of hardware, where to put that? I threw that somewhere. Maybe I'll, oh, there it is. So I've got a binding plug and 3 of the same self-tapper screws. So let's open the old Kyosho instruction manual. So it is a stand. Oh yeah, that looks like a piece of piss. It just clips together. Maybe. Oh, yeah. Maybe. What have I done here? Jesus, Mitch. While I'm dicking around with this, pick up your phone, send a message to someone, then comment below for me. And also, if you want, what else do you want to see on the channel? You know, this is you guys just as much as me. I'd love to hear something new. And I don't know if I'm going to post this, but Sunday it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday this weekend. Today's the 1st, 2nd. So the 3rd, 4th and 5th of July. If you're in Queensland, head up to Carroll Park. Chargers RC are running the Queensland State Nationals. I'm heading up there Sunday with Gav to run them up. Why did I throw that book down? I need it. Which way does the jet ski sit on the stand? Let's get it up here. I look like it just sits like that. Oh yeah. Make it move a bit forward again. Yep, snazzy. Alright, then you've got the handlebars. That's this seat. That makes a bit more sense, does it? Where does that bloody go though? Can't just... There's a screw hole there. I don't know. Oh, hang on. Doesn't just go up through the top here like that, and you see an exposed screw, does it? Surely not. It's got a pretty detailed, like screw on the traxxas, please. Start swallowing on a cable tie. Look, I might have to actually read that book and see how this thing goes together. I just want to shit him on there, but he's going to look like this. Oh, yeah, boy. His handlebars. Yeah, not bad, not bad. So stay tuned, because I'm going to go send this out in the rapids to see how long this survives. I'm not going to do it on purpose, but it's just a shame they haven't kept it like the Pro Boat, which I'll just quickly show you. These things are a bag of fun. Oh, if you haven't got one. Oh, it's just the lid coming off. See, on the Pro Boat, it's sort of flat, like a jet ski. It's just got the pump, the propeller, and the jet pump. I know, I suppose then it wouldn't be a $450 toy either. It would be probably, it'd be dear. It'd be probably $600, and keeping the space for it too. Okay, I can see where they're coming from. I can see it from. So look, I'm gonna have a play with him later. We'll sit him on and put his handlebars on. Got a battery to charge. That's pretty cool. Give them a thumbs up for supplying everything except for AA's in your controller. Got a few bits and pieces to read. The waterproof tape makes sense, but look at that. Besides him sitting down there like a bit of a punce at the moment. I don't know. Well, there it is. Am I saying right? Kyosho? Kyosho. Excuse me, Kyosho, if I'm getting your name wrong, but I think it's just a little bloody ripper. You know, wasn't, you know, it's ready to set. Okay, they're saying everything. So, oh yeah, it's pretty rare you get, besides if, okay, Armour, you buy something like this, you'll get a charger and battery in it. But anything like 10 scale these days, XRTs, that didn't come with batteries now. That's just another expense. So always put that in the back of your head. If you run into the toy shop and you've got that $500 to spend, just think you'd be looking at probably a $350 car, $400 car if you don't have a battery and charger at home. Traxxas, please. So before she starts chewing something she shouldn't, I'm going to end this episode with a big thank you to you guys for always supporting and always having me back. And just remember, ring a mate, life's a battery, charge it. Go out and buy yourself a new RC. That's a jet ski. And I'll see you all on the next adventure. Stay safe, ring a mate. G'day, MitchoRC. Men's mental health matters. You're not alone. If you feel drawn to my videos, please subscribe. You didn't find me by accident. Ring a mate, life's a battery, charge.